Now let us quickly move into the very interesting and helpful topic, that is donate food. Here, user can donate food to the NGOs directly with the help of our application by only specifying two fields such as the food type and the food quantity. Now let us try to enter the food type, and let us click on how much quantity he wants to donate and click on donate food. Immediate notification will be sent to that particular admin and he will take necessary actions. And if resident clicks on OK button, he will be navigated to history screen. Here in this history screen, resident could see a list of food donations he has done in the past.